In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary country or region on your Instagram account. Adjusting this setting correctly is essential for ensuring that your experience on Instagram is tailored to your location. This setting can influence what kind of content you see, as well as the advertisements that are shown to you. Now, let's dive in and guide you through this process step by step. First, you want to open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Instagram is primarily designed as a mobile app, which is why most functionalities and settings are best accessed through your smartphone or tablet. Once you have the app open, ensure that you're logged into the correct account where you want to change the country or region. It's always a good idea to double-check, especially if you manage multiple accounts, so you're sure changes are applied to the right one. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your main profile page, where you can manage posts, access your followers list, and, most importantly, dive into your account settings. From this page, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. At this point, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy, which is usually found towards the bottom of the list. This area is the control center for your account, allowing you to tweak everything from notification preferences to privacy settings. Once you're in the settings, take a closer look and find the Account Center. Tap on this to proceed further. The Account Center is specifically designed to consolidate settings across any connected accounts, offering a unified place to manage various preferences. After entering the Account Center, you'll be presented with various options. Here, you should select Personal Details. Personal details are critical as they ensure the information linked to your account is accurate, particularly when it comes to location-specific aspects of the platform. Once you've selected Personal Details, go ahead and look for Account Settings. Tap on that, then proceed to select Country or Region. Here is where you can select your new primary location. Browse through the list and choose the country or region you wish to update to. After making your selection, make sure you save your changes. Applying this change is key because it won't take effect until you confirm it. Once that's all squared away, return to your main profile page. Congratulations, you've successfully changed the primary country or region for your Instagram account. By keeping your location information up to date, you're ensuring a more relevant and personalized Instagram experience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.